Hello my dear traders, today I'll teach you making money on binary options using one simple strategy that's been getting me big money stably for a long time. And I understand that most of you really want to master trading, so please perceive each my word in this video seriously. I'm sure it's going to be beneficial for you if you really want to get your profit. Enjoy! So let me show you my strategy first. The point is trading from levels. There are two types of trend, we all know it, upward and downward, but sometimes the market forms some kind of trade corridor, which is called a flat. And inside this flat, the price is moving from level to level, somehow like that. The price is rolling back from one level and going to another one. Higher level is called resistance. And if the price reached resistance level at this moment, we open a deal with lower. And lower level is called a support, and if the price is reaching support level, then we open a deal with higher accordingly. As you see, there is nothing complicated about the strategy, so we move to trading. So, found the first interesting case, I enter with higher for 1 minute. We see the prices in terms of trade corridor, and at this exact moment, the price is in support zone. This is why I opened the deal with higher in this place. Okay, while the first deal is proceeding, I want to explain you why flat appears on the market. So we all know the market is generated based on its players' behavior, buyers and sellers. If there are more buyers on the market, then the uptrend comes, and if sellers prevail, then downtrend comes accordingly. But there are situations when there are approximately the same number of buyers and sellers on the market, and this is why flat is formed, inside of which the buyers and sellers fight. Our deals confidently closed the profit, we got on. Found another interesting case, guys. I opened a deal with higher for $100 for 1 minute. That amount is $100. The price is located in terms of trade corridors. The price got to support zone, and at this point I opened a deal with higher. Okay, let me give you one advice, guys. When opening a deal, I recommend you watching the candles. If you see candles with a big shadow at the opposite side, then it's a signal for a rollback. Look at my entry point, I just opened the deal on this candle. Look at this shadow, it means there are a lot of buyers accumulated on this level, and they don't let sellers go lower. Another deal's confident profit we got on. Found another great case, the price entered support zone again, so I opened a deal with higher. For clarity, I point out once again that the price has entered the support zone. So I opened the deal with higher. The price obviously won't be rolling back from the level forever. It's obvious a breakthrough will happen sooner or later. This is why please consider risks and do not open deals with whole balance, guys. We confidently get a profit from this deal. I caught a great impulse, and look, I found another great case. I opened a deal 1 minute with lower, and in this case the price entered the resistance zone. This is why I opened a deal with lower in this exact place. To determine any strong level that the rollback can happen from, we need to see at least 2 approaches of this level. For example, in this case, there were 2 rollbacks from this level of resistance, which means the seller is strong and they don't let buyers go higher. The market has no strength to break this level through as well. Another confident profit. Yes, let's look for other similar cases. So I enter for 1 minute with lower. The price is in terms of trade corridor again. This time it reached resistance zone again, and this is why I open a deal with lower. We've lost this deal, but no worries, guys. I doubled the bet amount and I opened my cover. Please point out that there's a level breakthrough here. When it happens, the trend continuation is usually proceeding, so if the price broke resistance level through, there are high chances it's going to go further up. But according to technical analysis rules, before the growth continues, there's a retest of the level. It means the price gets back to the previous level of resistance, and only after that it goes up. This is what's happening right now, you can see. Well guys, the deal's a profit, we go on. There's another great case. I enter for 1 minute with higher. As we see, the price entered support zone. Okay, this is why in this place I enter with higher. In this case, besides the level formed pretty good, we see 2 approaches of this level. and also candles with a big shadow at the bottom, which means the buyer is pretty good and they redeem the movement in their favor. We confidently get a profit! So guys, there is another curious case to enter. I do it with higher for 1 minute. We see the price went to support zone. This is why in this place I opened the deal with higher. When the price got to support zone, I want to point out that before these levels had been formed, we've been observing the trend rising pretty good. Each maximum had been updating constantly and minimums have been getting higher than previous one. Another $92 of profit from this deal. Great! Well, I think we can conclude right now. I turned $400 into $1,000 thanks to this strategy. I really enjoyed the result we've got today, and this is why on my today's trading session in my Telegram channel, I'm going to use this exact strategy. The link is in the description, as always. Thank you so much for watching. I'm waiting for you on my trading session. Bye bye!